Okay, so I'm going to try to explain this, although it's going to be kind of difficult. Let's see if this makes any sense. I'm grabbing a piece of hair and I'm separating it into 3 pieces. I'm starting with a regular braid. Now, the piece that is crossing over to the other side, I am combining with some hair from that side. Same thing with this piece. I'm combining with some hair from the side since it's crossed over to that opposite side. Now I'm trying to keep all these pieces separate. This is difficult. Every time a hair is crossed over to the other side, I'm grabbing more hair to add to it. And then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. But you have to pay attention to which strand is currently in the middle. You see the strand that's in the middle? Now the strand on the right went under it. And the middle strand became the right side strand. And now the left strand is becoming the middle strand. I'm adding some more hair to the new left side strand. And now the right side strand is becoming the middle strand. Now the new right side strand is getting bigger. I'm adding more hair to it. And now the left side strand is the new middle. Now the new left is getting some more hair added to it. But now the right side strand becomes the middle. Now I'm adding hair to the right side strand. And now the left strand is becoming the middle. Adding hair to the left side strand. But now the right side strand becomes the middle. Adding hair to the new right strand. And now the left side strand becomes the middle. I'm adding hair to the new left. And now the right side strand becomes the middle. Starting to run out of hair, trying to see what's left here. This is difficult to do on yourself if you're not really comfortable with braiding. I'd suggest learning how to do a regular braid if you don't know how to do a regular braid before you even attempt to do this. Now I'm adding hair to the right side strand, and the left side strand is becoming the new middle. Adding hair to the left side strand, and the right side strand becomes the new middle. There are so many different types of braids, but this is the only one that I actually know how to do. So hopefully, since I am so slow at it, it helps you.